Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the Crazy Brioche family's latest and most fascinating double-sided elastic stitch. This is the link to the playlist that contains all the stitches in the series. I will show you how to knit this stitch using 4 loops and 2 rows. Towards the end of the video, I'll explain how to knit this stitch in a round. To get started, cast on a multiple of 4 stitches, and add 2 edge stitches. We start with one initial row on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then purl 2 loops. Make a yarn over loop and slip one at once. Make a yarn over loop and slip one at once. To create a neat edge on the knitting, we will begin every row by slipping the first stitch and creating a yarn over loop. At the end of the row, we will knit them together. This technique of starting the rows is suitable for knitting patterns, such as English rib stitch or all brioche stitches and their variations. The first row is on the right side. Knit 2 loops together. Knit 2 loops together. Then make a yarn over loop and slip one. Make a yarn over loop and slip one. Again, knit 2 loops together, knit 2 loops together, make a yarn over loop and slip one, make a yarn over loop and slip one. The second row is on the wrong side. Purl 2 loops together. Purl 2 loops together. Then make a yarn over loop and slip one, make a yarn over loop and slip one. Purl 2 loops together, purl 2 loops together. Then make a yarn over loop and slip one. Make a yarn over loop and slip one. When knitting in the round, both rows are on the right side. There are no changes in the first row. Knit 2 loops together, knit 2 loops together. Then make a yarn over loop and slip one, make a yarn over loop and slip one. On the second row, make a yarn over loop and slip 1, make a yarn over loop and slip 1. Then knit 2 loops together, knit 2 loops together. On this screen, you can see the flat and round knitting patterns. You can copy them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. I have presented you with a new knitting pattern that creates a fabric with a beautiful relief, suitable for all types of yarn and seasons. It is ideal for making hats and scarves because it provides good volume and is double-sided. This pattern will add an elegant style to any knitted garment or accessory. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.